Today, I want to show you a simple shift that can significantly improve your AI outputs. If your AI output is close, but not quite right, your prompt is probably incomplete. Most people tell AI what they want. Very few tell it what to avoid. That's what negative prompts are. They're boundaries for AI output. Here's a simple example. On the left is a basic prompt to create a post for LinkedIn. On the right, the same prompt, but with what to avoid. Here are the results of those prompts, both coming from the same core request. But the version on the right that has negative prompts removes the generic tone, the repetition, and the extra noise. You can use negative prompts to control more than tone. You can shape structure, depth, bias, and even how much unnecessary content AI often adds. This works because you're defining what bad output looks like. This way, AI can move toward better. Let's look at this with a visual example. Same prompt, but two very different results. On the first image, AI adds detail by default. More objects, more lighting effects, more going on. On the second, those constraints remove the clutter, simplify the result, and brighten it. AI adds by default. You refine by subtracting. You're not just telling AI what to create, you're telling it what to leave out. That's what improves the output. Because you're not just giving direction, you're defining the boundaries.